Yes, easier way to model a wooden barrel in Autodesk Maya. Let's get started. First of all, we take a cylinder and press T to control the parameters of this cylinder. Now, we will adjust the subdivision according to the size of wooden plank I want. Yes, it's good. I will remove upper cap and lower caps. Now I will adjust height of the barrel. Yeah, this is alright, I think. Press Ctrl Shift X for this loop cut tool. We will press Ctrl and middle mouse to make a edge between the cylinder. We will go to edge mode and select this edge and scale it outwards. Okay, that's it. It will work. Now we will give bevel and add segment. Yes, we will going to make metal straps in future, so determine the size before. Now I have to make a single piece of wooden plank, so I will select one piece of plank and duplicate it. Go to object mode, select the main cylinder and press H to hide it. Now select the plank we just duplicated and give a extrude. This is how much thickness I want. We will select all edges by leaving middle edges. Now Ctrl B to bevel the edges. Okay, that's it. Now we will go to top view. You can see the pivot on the original origin of the cylinder. We will duplicate this by rotating this. So press Shift and J in order to duplicate. We will precisely determine the gap between them and press Shift D to repeat the duplication with translation. Press until the barrel is completed. See, we already done 80% of the work. Now unhide the original cylinder and press Ctrl 1 to isolate it. Select both edges and bevel it because we are going to make metal straps from it. So select all the faces and duplicate it. Now hide the main cylinder. Select this combine and press Ctrl 1 to go to the original. Press Shift and drag to select all the panels. We will combine it and reselect the metal straps. Now go to top view and precisely scale it. Now give a thickness to it. Our 90% of work is done. Now we will press transform so the garbage is cleaned. Now we unhide the original cylinder and select both the faces and shift select to invert the selection and delete the faces. Now place R and scale it inwards little bit. The metal strap is too much revealed, so I will make it smaller like this. Yes. See, our barrel is completed. We will end this tutorial right here. Meet you in the next part.